What's up, Thomas? Oi, oi, oi. I just got some feedback
What's
from
up,
my
Thomas?
teacher. Oi. Let me see, let me see. Okay, nice. I'm done with that. Good. Nice. Good morning, Musan. Yeah, I'm calling you Musan, but I know you're Musus Mususan. I don't know. I will call you Musan, bro. It's much easier. I hope you accept it because my English is it's already broken, bro. So if you gonna have me try to say um M Susan. Ah, okay. M Susan. I'll call you Musan though. I like it more, okay? What's up, Kareem? Guten Tage. Ich habe heute, ich habe deine Master Thesis gerichtet. Ay, ay, ay. What do you prefer, speed of tape or CVD? Speed of tape. CVD, no, but the thing is, both are really good. Speed of tape, CVD, you can see how exhaustion, you can see divergence, but speed of tape, you can see how much they are pushing on the pedal, and you can see if they fail really fast because you see that they push on the pedal, and then you can see that they're getting absorbed because look at this. Like, look at this candle, this red one. You see this? Once upon a time, it was up here and was full, but then you can see absorption this fast, super fast to see when they are failing. But I'm also new to speed of tape, so yeah. So it was here. Let me see. Yeah, I think it was. I don't know who pushed it, but I assume it was sellers. Look, speed of tape. They were pushing. It was up, and they fail. So you see absorption really quickly. And yeah. Let's go. Deine means yours. Mine. Oh, my bad. Mine. I want to say like the. How do you say the? The homework. I say like deine homework. What's your founder account status? How much you up? I was up 800, then I was negative 300, so I'm up 500. Oh no, it's not founder account, by the way. This is evaluation account. I'm practicing, so no founder account. Nice. Okay. I'll stick with CVD for now. Yeah. Learn with. This is good. I will learn and I will share everything. I'm still learning, of course. What's up, dark? Difference between the light and dark candles. Dark, bearish, light are bullish. This is from Morse. This is Martin's template. I liked it. He took it from Fabio, I think. I just fixed it some stuff. I think your streamers is not correct. We don't see everything you show. Is it? I know. I have a white screen. I don't know. Yo, I'm gonna be honest. That's the thing. I'm not good at YouTube, Discord, streaming. None of that. Clearly, because frankly, I don't really care about this so much. But obviously, I want to give you guys a good experience. So if anybody has time, help me fix my shit. To be honest, really, I'm not good at this. All the Fabio boys on speed on tape, right? Yeah, he's using it from his course right now, I think. And well, it makes sense. Some stuff. It's super interesting. You can frame it in 100 ways. Let me see. In German, you have 3 articles for master byte for the article would be. What the fuck? Bro, I got like 40 articles for my master's thesis right now. Took some fucking time. On the speed of tape. Difference between the light. Oh, okay. On the speed of red is sellers pushing the pedal. Green is bullish, and the white, I don't know. I haven't understood that as well. This one, for example, look at this one. This one is white. Who who pushed here? Was it like equally? It can't be equally, right? What does this white one indicate? What's up, Emmanuel? Can you explain your main model right now? Yeah, sure. I can do it. Just let me go through everyone quickly and then we can start. Can we have this template? Yes, I will share it. Today, quick session for me. I have to get a fucking Oprah. Oprah? What the heck? What's up, Martin? Yo, Martin, I'm using your template that you took from Fabio. Clean. Hello. I don't get the use of speed of tape. I'm still learning, but essentially you can see who's pushing the pedal directly, and you can see absorption directly, and you can see who is pushing, basically. Before the move happens, you can see. Yo, we have Martin in the chat. Guys, please ask him. Fabio sometimes says he doesn't need the speed of tape because he knows it's gonna look like. Yeah, that's from experience. Yeah, that's the thing. White is usually equal. Okay, so yeah, I was thinking maybe that's, yeah, exactly, just equal, but that's crazy. So does that mean enough force push lower and up at the same time and it just becomes equal? It's clean, yeah. Is speed of tape to get absorption? It's for accumulation or distribution and saying who is loading what. Exactly. Okay. Yeah. My best tip, ask Martin. He knows. Okay, for my model. My model is Martin's model or his previous model. I think I will do a session for all backtesting sessions. Yeah, by the way, today schedule. We have a meeting after the stream. Let's create a schedule for next week. I'm gonna do backtesting session, I think 3 times a week. And we're gonna practice on Martin's Morse model. You can see on my YouTube, I published a short snippet about his model, but essentially you have a range exploding above, retest, and send it. The thing I'm now testing is where do you place your stop? According to Moore, he usually places it. You can place it at POC or behind value area, low. The thing is, I have seen, by the way, Moore, I've seen so many times. This one, much higher win rate. But when we have a volatility and we want to go fast, this one definitely will hold. But I want to have statistics on all levels. That's the thing. And I want to get a good idea which level to play out, which one to bet more on, depending on volatility. You see, there's a lot of things. So if you guys don't join Discord, I don't know if you are members, but we will do it together. It's a good project. If you want to trade this, obviously. Either pump of that. Yo, what's up, Peng? Good morning. My buy is visiting 24. Nice. You essentially take a mean reversion if you get the breaker, you get crazy aura. Yeah. Definitely. Wait, let me read that again. You take a mean reversion if you get the breakout, you get crazy. Yeah. Okay. Let's do some framing. Let me remove all of this. Where are we right now? 24,770. So I'm starting my days like always, marking my levels. So previous day POC, we are bearish clearly, but we shifted lower. But however, we are in value area low on composition profile. So interesting to see if we shift above now. If we accept up, let's see. Do we have news today? Can somebody check? Let me just fix this as well. MQ. So I don't trade on something weird. Oh, yeah, that's a lot of red levels. Okay, let's look at today's profile. And sellers. Okay, marking out the most significant levels. Okay, that's it. Okay, what are you guys on about now? Okay, let's see. Pop, pop, pop. What's the okay? Where do you? Oh shit, you wrote a lot. What's the target on this model? Which do you mean my model? Moore's model. There's a lot of targets. Depends. You will see, or if you mean something else. What's up, Marco? Welcome. The buy is long, I think. Um, Depends. We shifted lower, so we are bearish, like in the daily volume profiles, but we are in value area low on composition profile. So if we go up now, then we might be bullish. However, if we reject now, value area high on previous day, so this level, I'm still looking for shorts. That's it, but we will see. Good morning. Have a good pro. You too, bro, Victor. Nice. Which current market state Aloki only want to show? Yes, Michigan Consumer Center. Okay. How does your line print on the right chart? Right click, go to drawing tool from other chart, and then you check in. I have it on 5. This you can just then it will import it. It will import. Yes, at 16. Okay, consumer sentiment. We broke the cash session value and pre-market value. I'm gonna have to check. No NFP today. Market is bleeding bad. More. Yeah, Emmanuel, Morse. You will see. You will see. You have many targets. So I be able to shoot low from yesterday. Yes, but it can change really fast, Daniel, because I want to see what is getting accepted and rejected. So if you accept back up, and we see big participators pushing it, then I might be bullish. Like it can switch. Balance to balance, so high volume. Yes, exactly. Hi everyone. What's up, Wahed? Is good Adria to trade, or is it not suitable? He has only showed us on. He has showed this on NQ. So that's where his data is on, not on gold, if I'm not mistaken. So my best tip would be to use this on NQ. Not financial advice. Okay, we're at POC. Yo, Morl, I have a question, bro. For peak, do you have it to 40? Or wait. I feel like this is so many red levels. Hello, Adam. Peak, I use default from Fabio. Okay. So I just imported your stuff, so it's at 40. So I guess that's it. Because look at this, bro. Look at this peak. It's super small. Like, yeah. Okay, market open. We get this. Yo, I wonder if we will recover all of this. Look what happened in pre-market. Pre-market, we came up to value area high. Let me add this so it's clear for everyone. This is value area high. You see, we came up. We did the Morse model here. Look at this. Breakout. Retest. Push lower. Here's his model again. Breakout. Retest. Push lower. Here's his model again. Breakout. Retest. And now we are there. And we push right through everything. Okay. This is something. Look at this. Up here. Okay, let's dial in. I will look for a short here. Maybe we get something. I've noticed that when I take it directly on it, I get stopped out. Instead, I should wait for it to maybe consolidate or do something here and then break out, retest, push lower. If we broke 24,700, interesting. Is the previous profile on the left side? Yeah. Yep. Nice. Okay, we broke above. I want to see what will happen. Something clear. This is value area high on previous day, and we are bearish in the profiles. Can be a good place to short. I'm gonna see if I can find something. I'm gonna wait for the model. We have this consolidation. Since I'm bearish in the zone, breakout, retest, and push lower back to POC maybe. Okay. Yes, good for shorts today. Pre-market absorption can be really important. Yes. Oi. Is this the breakout retest? Up here, good place to. I like this buyers that get absorbed. I'm gonna try it if I get. I'm gonna try something like this. Let's see if it stops me out. That's only 30, and I would like to take it where. Well, to be honest, as far low as we can go. We haven't broken out yet, so it's still risky because this can still hold. But that's an early entry that I'm practicing on implementing. Okay, we are breaking out now. We might get the retest anytime soon, or we might just send it. There's the retest. I think we're getting it right now. That's the retest. If it doesn't hold now, we go up and I get stopped out. That's the statistic. But I'm covering myself right above this trap buy. Now, this is not good. We accept back into value. I don't like this. So I'm going to actually hold it. It's better. If I lose, it's fine. The thing is, I have seen that every time we fail to go directly, we usually go back up and retest this high value area high. Like right now. Okay. That's fine. We understood why. So we accepted back into this. Not good. We're still in this level. You can see that we shifted higher on POC. Good, good, good. I like it. Let's reevaluate the whole zone. Now I'm gonna wait. Wait for acceptance and retest. Yeah, that's a much safer position. That's a safer thing. You can wait for acceptance, then retest. You know what would be even better? Say that, because this was an early entry. I hope you all saw it. And then if we go below these guys, these buyers, a retest here would be nice. Okay, it looks like we're accepting much higher. So we are bullish, huh? I got delay again. Yo, Moral, I'm spamming your model that much. I understand when I'm gonna lose before it happens. I just let it. Like here, for example, I've seen it so many times. When you accept back into POC, when we hit POC again, many out of 8 out of 10 times, we go up to value area high again. So I could have killed it, but just for the sake of it, because that even gives me more data that it's actually true, I'm letting it take me out. So if we're long, we have to broken retest and we're gonna visit them. Maybe I see big sellers. 24,874. Yeah, let's see. I'm waiting for the retest. Now here's one thing also interesting. When we come back here, this is not something I have understood fully yet, but there are some good signs that when we come back here, depending on how we reach here and what we do, you know that we will come back here. We will come back here and retest this level. It's hard to explain because I don't, because look at the volatility now. You see how it's pushing back? And I see that maybe all of that many times. You know what? I'm gonna do this. I want to see if I can get something here. Value area high. Trying it. Cover right above here. Let's see if I can fade this. Okay, no. Okay, now it's much better. Wait. Takes me with it. Or maybe I was too early. This is going against the grain. But it's good practice. Essentially, if these buyers fail, cover myself right above, and this is value area high on the range. And down here to, what is it called? Value area high on this range. I've seen it many times. and it's playing out. Let's see. Here they will defend. So what I will do is, as soon as we touch it, I'm going break even here. Hopefully not these buyers defending though. Okay, we touched it, break even. Take me out. Thank you. You see where we come now? Value area high. This is interesting. I have not much data on what to do here, but this indicates we will go back to value area high, low here. And usually they step in here again. Your microphone is too... Turn it up a bit. Can you guys hear me? Is it good now? We didn't touch value area low. We will touch it, most likely. I've seen it too. Sorry, it was mad. No worries, bro. Probably the same like playing sweep up. You see what happened from 24,915? Yeah. This was my short. So it's 1 to 3, but my aim was here, but I have seen that we could aim here also. Because usually we fail here. I swear, every time we come here, we fail. When we come in this price action type, I don't know how to say it. Then we come back to this level. And then they step in. You see where they step in? Again, this level. You see, plot volume and delta, you need it. Let me see. What do you mean that the buyers are stepping in and got absorbed? I can see that they failed. They got absorbed and lost. Okay, I'm break even. Like on the day. One trade saves 2 losses. Touch by touch model. Yeah. How do you draw the volume? Is it from swing or what? For example, last volume on the right screen. The ranges only. I don't usually take the swings. I can take them sometimes. For example, if I want to see where they will step in, I can use it. But I'm using, this is a model where you just go from range to range, okay? So it's not so much. But yeah. How about this, Daniel? I don't know if you are in our Discord server, but we're gonna do backtesting sessions. I've gotten a lot of DM that people that want to learn this model. Obviously, the author himself is in the chat. He can. He learned me quite a lot of it, and I think 7 other people. But yeah, I would love to share it with you guys. Like how to practice together. What data provider you're using? Rhythmic, and I got delay. Look at the pushing. They're pushing the pedal. Let's just watch the pedal. Look at this. Really pushing it. And now what happened? I'm also new to speed of tape, so please. Does this mean absorption? Look at this. They failed. They were up here, came down here. So it looks like they were getting absorbed right in this level. And then you can anticipate that they're failing, and then you maybe can take a trade. Yeah, it's 100 ways to frame this, bro. Order flow has fucking 300 tools. But now, absorbed sellers at the bottom, buyers are pushing. They got absorbed here, which we can see from speed of tape. So that's why it's holding. Passive sellers. They say, hell nah. You ain't going nowhere. Let's see if buyers push above. The go teams. Now, bam. Yeah, let's see if it sends it. Yeah, he's the one who thought Fabio out to try. Order flow is turning me on because it works. Yo, am I- check this. We have the range. We fail. What do you think? Retest? Oh, yo, yo, they are pushing. I have a good idea where they might come back. Or maybe not. Somewhere down here. Will we get to retest? I'm looking at the gap also. So if we come up here, I might take a short. Like somewhere up here on the retest. Okay, gap fill. The only issue is we got these absorbed sellers right here now, huh? Oh, wait. This is POC. We are at POC right now. Why doesn't it draw a POC for me? Hello. Okay, draw it. I'm gonna try something if this fails, these buyers. Wait, statistically, we go up to this. Touch it, let's see. Oh, it broke above. I think it's gonna send it, huh? Let's see. Nah. Whoa, wait. How did I get filled? Okay, never mind. Oh, yo, the delays. Maybe I should wait for the delays to fix themselves. Let's see. Is it gonna send it? If this failed, this will hold. If this holds right now, I'm stopped. If this fails, I think it's gonna send it. I held. Could kill the trade, but nah. We wait. Okay, stopped out. Yeah, we got news in 12 minutes. Oh. CFD show also massive absorption of sellers. Dios míos. Dios míos. I love this model. I really like it. I might be looking for long in this zone instead because look at the pressure and we are accepting higher. Maybe this is the retest and we send it right here. Damn. I think it's better to look for longs and yeah, unless we break below current day's value area. Let's see. Could you plan a little bit what you want to try? I'm gonna do a backtesting session for you, bro. All of you guys that are members, we can go through it. Right now, I want to focus on only on trading. You said if we go above value previous, we shorten. If we go above value area higher previous order, say we will be bullish. Why shorten? We haven't. How can I say it? This model, you can trade both ways. Okay, obviously, if now it looks like we are more bullish because look, we are accepting value higher on the current day's profile. But I'm still trying to play the ranges. Okay, this is I'm practicing up and down, up and down. Obviously, I see that we are pushing high, we are building value higher, we are bullish. So maybe I would not want just to take bullish buy setups. So then I would be like, okay, let me wait till we break above, buy, maybe buy here, maybe buy down here. But I want to play both sides, you know, to get more data on the model. How good it is, even if bias is bullish. What if I take sell setups? How much does it work technically? Was that clear? Like, that's it. Simply put, the more model is more like a hyperscan for every balance zone to imbalance. Yeah, but Amor told me like if you want to filter out, bro, just take trades in high value area high or low, and yeah, and you can do it 100 ways. You can use this model, but how you play it is it depends. Was that clear, Cabin? Look at our scenario once again. Now I want to see how the retest will be. We got the initiation. Look at this big cluster of buys, but I see a gap here. I think this model is from this is from Fabio's, right? His shit. I can't remove it. You have your initiation. You have your low volume node, vice versa. You wait here till price comes down. Test, show you buy aggression or something, and then you take it. Cover yourself below, maybe value low. Yeah, okay, nice. Yeah, I take 20 per break or reverse. Nice. Watch out for poke above. Yeah, I saw it from this day, huh? True, nice, Karim. Is it extra confident if there are strong sellers bar visible on the delta at the retest? Is it extra confidence if there are strong sellers slash buyers visible on the delta? Oh yeah, I guess. Yeah, all information is good. Obviously, it's a game of probability, so maybe you have all the confluences, but it goes to shit. So, bro, trading is a game of math, technically. What statistically works, you just apply it over and over and over. You're gonna lose, and you're gonna win and lose. Now we are at the retest. Let's look at this. What will happen here? Now, what I would like to see is maybe sellers. Look at this now. We come so low, touch poke. And what did I say before? Usually when that happens, I've seen it many times. We come down to value area low on backtesting and on live trading. Longs are obvious. Now still you how you execute it. Yeah, exactly. Now it's just a game of when do you execute it, what do you do. Okay, you see here we touch the value area low. This is why I'm gonna tell you guys, this is the thing I'm gonna study a lot. This, okay? The retest. How does a successful retest bounce look versus how does a failing retest look? This is clearly a failing one, but yeah, you understand. So here is where they defended last time. If they go past this, I think we will go back to this level that I initially wanted to short to. Yeah. Send it, cuz. We are long, as I tell you. Where did you long, bro? This is. By the way, meeting today after this stream. We're gonna talk about the tool, where we are, and the rant. Not lots of stuff. Origin of aggression shows horizontal buyer stepping in. Origin of aggression. Yes. I want to say one thing here. Yeah, when we come down, I've seen this a lot of times. Usually we get a big move up here, back to this level. So where do I take along from here? Then we also have this right here. So we got several levels. Those on the lower part are much, much, much better in a sense. Perfect. Wait, which part, Marco? Which part is perfect? We touched poke. When we touch poke, like this, I've seen it come back down to value area low before we go. But sometimes it just goes. The meeting after. Okay, yeah. Ay, ay, ay. You know the thing that can give like a human error thing? It's all mechanical, as you can see, but the thing is how you plot it can determine if you miss the trade or if you do something wrong. So for example, here, this is how I plotted it, but you have this consolidation here also. Okay, what did I say? Usually I've seen it 400 times. We come back here before we get the move up. If we touch poke. But yeah, let's see. There's the touch. I'm gonna try it. Why not? The entry could have been much better because look at where this level is. I think we may come down there actually. This is the bigger one. But I'm not opposed to not take the trade. Let's do this. Cover myself here. And I'm gonna enter another one. Or is it better to take the trade if it goes lower instead? We practice. Why not? Who cares? Let's do this. And obviously you can whipsaw me and just take me out. But we'll see what's happening. Okay, both trades are in. What the heck happened now? Huh? Where did my first position go? Okay, I got out. For fuck's sake. Oh my god, that was news. Oh, you fucking. My bad. I forgot about news, bro. Time is 4 o'clock and that shit just stopped. That's so unnecessary, man. Still want to bet for the move up. That's on me. Hi, I wanted to ask you why you trade for terrain not 1 minute. It's for this model. It's basically it's like consolidation model and so on. Zero prints and that needs to fill before it goes. You didn't see the poke change too? Did we ay. Fucking 40 stuff to keep an eye on. What time frame do you use? This is a range chart, not the time frame chart. Damn, bro, this poke. Okay, this is interesting though. However, when we have news do this, I don't know how to interpret it. I don't know if it's still valid, the model. The retest here. What do you guys think? And we are in value area low at the current day's profile session. I really don't know how valid this trade would be. And I would rather be a buyer, to be honest. Look at the volume profile. It's pushed, like the volume is higher. Clearly we're accepting price above. So maybe a... So this was the trade. I don't know. I don't know. 2479, still another zero printed. 24,791. Okay, down there. Okay. Or are we now rebalancing all of this? Oof, this is a low volume node. All the way. Yo, let's see if we... I see another range here. I want to see what happens if we break below it. Break below it, retest. Break below it, retest. Pushing, they're pushing. We got the retest. Give us the retest. Now the volatility is quite high. I think we might go. I'm gonna do a little better trade here. If you go up, retest this, and then go lower to recover these, I might take the short. This is a much safer trade. But for more risk, I would take this one or this one. Try to catch it. Okay. Oi, yo, yo. If these guys lose now, this is really good. Let's see. No, they won. See, accepted into poke. Oh. Okay, is this a flip? Looks like a flip. I got delay. Came up, touched this to the point. We move lower now. Recover these. What's going on? I want to see these buyers fail. Entry was quite dog shit. I'm gonna cover myself right above these buyers. Risking not too much. Maybe we get the break through. I think we're gonna get the retest. Let me see. I don't really see anything special. Essentially, this is all a low volume node all the way. So let's see if we get a quick move through everything. Just jump on the momentum. Gap right at the beginning. Not so good. Might come back. Test, take it out. I'm taking out this trade at 1 to 2 here if it goes. Before we touch POC, because I don't want to. Yeah, I lost a lot when I. Look at this gap right at our entry. I really hate that shit. How's it going for you guys, by the way? Okay, gap fill. Now it's gonna go up, or what is it gonna do? Was this the retest? I'm gonna cover now like this. Another gap for fuck's sake. Carmos is right above these buyers. If it goes up, take me out. Let's see. We will get the push now. I don't see any gaps anymore. Or will it go up? Think it might get stopped out. It retested here. This is the defending point. Stopped out. Swear, I hate gaps with all my heart. Here's the retest zone. How's it going for you guys, Barry? We might go down to 24,600. Oh shit, bro. That's far, man. Let me zoom out a little, make the image much clearer. We're building value. We're shifting lower, retest, shifting lower, retest, shifting lower. Touch POC. Usually we go up to value area high. I'm trying this. Where would one cover himself? This is a, I don't know. Guess here maybe. And maybe try to go for the hero. Try buyers. We got this defense. If this all fails, then take me out. I don't want to be in this. Looks like it's gonna fail. Do you know what range do use for ES? No, no idea. But Maybe we can learn together and find out. Okay, let's mark out this. Yeah, clearly we are going. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Who is making money today? Yo, Morl, I don't know if you're in here right now, but there's so many dealing ranges. I think that's one issue I have. That's it's like, which one do you look at? Really, like there's 20 dealing ranges. You got this one, you got this one. Bounce, bounce. These are like a smaller variant. Smaller variant. And then you got this. I don't know what to mark out here. This is Pok. Up 200, 500, nice. 200, nice. But I started 2 times trying to long. 20 range for you. I believe that's the most scalper in order for increase more. That's what the is good. And now we need to take a long. Oh shit, man. Yeah. Who catch this? Like who really catches something like this? Pok touch, mom. Okay, my bro. I caught it. Aye, then. Damn, that's a real mean reversal bleeding. How did you catch that, bro? Obviously, in this model, I don't know how you would do it. Maybe retest here, huh? But I don't see really a range. Of course, if you don't. Yeah, I don't know. No, this one you don't catch with my model. That shit went. Draw a profile from the high to the low, large delta at the reversal point. This is, oh, and this was also, I believe, a POC, right? Aha, okay, you took it from here. Nice. Noise. Like it. It was value area high of the leg down, or okay. So he saw delta, you saw value area high. Do you only use this model? I'm practicing only this model. But no, I have other models. This one is what I'm focused on right now. I traded a lot differently before. Maybe I don't know if you were in this stream before. With news, it's difficult to catch. Yeah. This was quite painful. Went back. We went lower. Take the trade. And now we have a range again. In value area, let me see. Looks like we will go to POC. What do you think? But this went so fast. These are low volume nodes, 100%. We got these fellas up here. No, if it don't take me out, I'm gonna try to retest, try it up here instead. I really don't want them to recover these buyers. Last try. Nah, take me out. Oh yeah, yeah, I can't even kill the trade. Think I could kill it, bro. They will recover these low volume nodes. Ay, ay, ay. Not so good. Back up to puck, huh? Maybe as of now, I'm just taking all the trades that I see in these ranges. I will have to value area high, value area low. That's where you can take the entry, like these models. Let me see. I'm gonna try something. When we accept back into this, I'm gonna try to take a short and then take it down here because this is what it did right here. Right here. We accept back into it super aggressively. And then we go. Instead of trying to catch the moves, maybe just jump into them when they go. Oh shit. Oh, I like this one. This is Puck. Yeah, it's really playing with me. Fucking it. You try to tell, okay, like Puck is right there. Let me try something like this. Nah, bro. This is the first initiation aggression. Ah, I'm looking at this delta level, and we got this zone, but then we got this one as well, and then it's like 20 zones, man. What the heck? Ah, these delays. There's a retest. We are breaking up, bro. This is not getting respected at all. Let's see. Poke shifted higher. We're in the mushy middle now. Yeah. Look at. Yeah, let's see if it sends it. Right now, we're just doing jack shit. And I want to take the trip. Oh my god. Really? Bad feel. I'm looking for the retest to be honest, but this is going. It's just sending it. Now we have the retest. Let me risk $20. Try to make. Did it touch poke? No, it didn't. $35. Nah, this is going up. Next level. Does anyone know what happened to Deep Chart update? It was supposed to be dropped yesterday. I don't know. No idea. But I have so much data delay. I enter a trade, I get filled up here. It's like what? Will it send? Will it send? It's like catching the top. I'm gonna start to cover myself instead of letting it go back to stop loss after I'm in profit. So if it goes below this right now, here, I think it's gonna go up to this level. Okay, buyers, pushing. No, I'm not gonna miss this shit again. Definitely not. I'm gonna jump in on all the opportunities it gives me because when this happens, it usually goes like in a second down, like boom. Obviously, if we go below this, then you have this right now. So what I will do is when we touch value area low here, I'm covering myself to break even. I'm defending myself above here. What the fuck is going? Hell no. What the fuck? Okay, break even. Probably you should pay attention to big trades too. This is something I'm trying to learn from more, but he says that big trades are like the narrative, but how can I say it? Yeah, I'm paying attention. Like, look at this trap buyers at top. That's why I take my short here, and this is also in this range value area high. But they are painting. I don't remember, to be honest, what he said. He said something about that. It's better if he said, bro, I'm learning a lot from more because obviously he's profitable. But I understand what you mean, bro. I do. Is it gonna go now without me on the break even? I'm gonna enter here if it goes. That's the retest. Accept it back in. If you touch your level and there's aggression, you can take the trade. Yeah, yeah, we did it here. Sellers, reaction. Then we have it the trade here. I think my feel was something like here, to be honest. I want to take it down here, but then yeah. Break even. Yarra, yarra, yarra. Let me do this, bro. I'm gonna take a small scalp up to value area high. Thank you. Trap sellers, buyers at the top. Retest. Nah, it went. Oh, if it touches up there, that could be a good short. Is this the same strategy that you learned from Fabio's bootcamp? No, no, no. This is something else. This is something else, bro. It's the same. Fabio just gave you the tools and explanation, is like you have strategies like that, and yeah. But this is something else. Arranged and advantageous. That's true. Yeah, that's true. Something that makes me lose a lot is, for example, on this trade, bro, we were down here. I can go break even already here. I think we were here. I don't remember. No, something like this. I could go break even already here. But then it comes up. That's why it takes you. Goes up, takes you out, goes up, takes you out, takes you out. Maybe just taking trades in value area high. Oh, this is all on the current days profile also. I'm gonna try something. A recovery trade on that, but no. Ah. Retest. I posted the last trade in Disco based on more system with big trades. Let me see. Let me see. Nice, man. Let me see. Range auction. Where did you take the trade? Scalping auction to auction. Retest value area high. Is that where buyers, sellers stock? Field auction. Value area high for 20 points. On the retest. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Wonder where. Here we have a trade. Value area high retest, and now I don't know. Noise. I just realized the math behind a prop firm account. Do you guys know how much you need to make on a on a 50k account? You need to make 150%. Professional traders do how much on a year? 30? 40? Combine it with, yeah, okay, nice. But yeah, a professional trader has to make how much on a year? Like, how much do you usually make? Like 30%. To pass a prop firm account, you need to make 150%. So the math is crazy. What do you mean exactly? Like based off loss limit? No, win like how much they make a year, traders. Like how much they win usually. A professional trader 15-30%. Okay, let's take 30%. A professional trader makes around 30% a year, say, give or take. But we have to make 150 in 1 month passing in a combine account. That's why Fabio says you don't really should care so much about blowing accounts because there's no logic to them. Like you pretty much go, you put a lot on lot size and you try to pass it like this. I don't know if you remember that guy Luca. Luca, what's it called? That trader from Fabio. Luca something. You know how much they risk, bro? They're risking like $500 per trade. So you have to like, you see the logic. That's why prop firms are meant to fuck you over, legit. But you risk also 50. Yeah, Francesco. Yeah, exactly that guy. But that's pretty like. We have to make 150% and they make, a professional one makes around 30%. And they do that in a year, we do that in 1 month if we don't want to like pay resubscribe the prop firm. There's your math, guys. So prop firms are, yeah, and they get paid millions if they make or not. I want to up my risk. Currently risking around 150 to 200. Oh yeah, okay. I'm not inducing anyone, indulging, or how you say it, anyone to risk more. But you see the logic, the math behind this. It's fucking against us. That's why when you blow an account, don't get, obviously if you risk a lot and you take good trades and so on, that's the thing. But calculated trades. But when you fail and you blow it and you do it correctly, that shouldn't affect you. That's crazy. We have to make 150%, and they make like 30% a year. Guys, how much did Fabio make percent-wise on his trading World Cup? I don't remember how much he did. My friend ran a hedge fund, charged 2% yearly, but it made him. Oh shit. What? Usually on fees as well, bro. 500 or so, no? In Robin, more than 5. Did he make 500 in 3-4 years? Wait, do you guys mean accumulated like 500%? Not, I meant in 1 year. Wasn't it like 70, 79? %200 quarterly. Okay. So you have a guy like Fabio that makes, say, 200% quarterly. That's crazy. And we guys gotta make 150. He made it in 1 year. 500 or 200. But do you see the logic? We have a guy Fabio that knows his shit, like he knows it. And then you have us try to make 150% in a month. All I'm trying to say is like, don't get frustrated with prop firms accounts. You can see me. I really don't give a shit that much, but because the math is not. But yeah. And it was getting like 15 round turns per mission. Scheiße. But he takes way so many trades. Almost 1,200 trades in 6 months in one account. He does fine by starting his risk with. That's crazy. Anyways, you guys got the message, because I calculated the sat down with this like the risk and like the math on prop firms, and I just realized I have to make 150%. But then you got Fabio that makes 200 quarterly. That's quarterly. I try to make 150 in a month, and he does it over extend of fucking 3-4 months. Or in a year, I think Fabio's an aggressive scalper. Well, he knows his stuff. He knows it. He showed his stats for November, made 170k with 600 trades. Shit. But Fabio's addicted to charts and pressing buy and sell button. Sure, the money is lovely, but do you guys see the... I don't know if you know, but he takes a lot of supplements because the stress... just logically, guys, the stress from trading will take some years off your life. That's not even fucking... How do you say it? That's not something you have to be super... You don't have to be a... Oh my god, how do you say it in fucking English? That's logical. The stress will definitely... So that's why I don't... I don't know how to say this, guys. Maybe... His equity curve was 45 degree and up nicely. His scaling is very good. That's why... I mean, we are trading profit, no stress. Yeah, definitely. It's prop firm, okay? You're risking $50, 60 with Lucid. $60 with Lucid. Take it chill. Really, don't get mad if you lose. Don't get frustrated, bro. It's... Yeah. Don't make this... don't make this branch, this stuff, take some years off your life. That's what I'm trying to say. This is not worth it. Money is not worth everything, okay? Bro, explain big trades indicator. I'm planning to buy deep charts. Please show once. Big trades indicator. This is big trades. You see big orders on the chart. How you can use them? Here was a trade that I took but got stopped at break even. I see big buyers stepping in here. We push lower. Clearly, they got absorbed. So on the, I think my trade was something like this. Essentially, really simple. You see where big participators are entering the market, and you can play both sides, and on you can play it differently depending on what happens. Right now we are at POC. You see these sellers absorbed. These sellers absorbed or not, I don't know. These buyers absorbed, my bad. There's a winning, there's your trade. You know, it's just that. It's not a secret remedy to get profitable. Definitely not, but it's a good tool. Really good tool. Bless you. Thank you, bro. What do you think? Break, retest. Break, retest, nothing. That's crazy. Wait, let me reevaluate this trade. Here is the better trade. Okay, wait. Now I'm gonna trade it. Oh! Risk kinda crazy. I went in with 4 contracts instead of 2. I'm still gonna give it a shot. Why not? This is the thing with prop firms. You don't care that much. Trade it. If it goes, it goes. If it takes you out, takes you out. I think if we break below this, we will reach these levels pretty fast. This level. Okay. Let's do a limit buy here. Let me take out 2 contracts. Stop loss break even. And send it down here. See if we accept them and go lower. I'm not giving back that much, to be honest. Give me 100 bucks. Thank you very much. If you want one order flow platform, Can I choose deep shot by your review? If I want one order for Plav, can I choose deep shot by your review? I will go with deep shot definitely. It's good. I like it. But you have Atlas as well. It's more robust and cheaper. What prop firm are you trading? Lucid. I'm trying this again. I want to test something because I want to see this statistically. We should do it. We should go lower and test this level. Maybe not now, but we can see. I think we will get the push now. Let's see. Nope. Back up we go. Up and up and up we go. Let me try this again. Quite risky since we're going against the grain. Yeah, makes sense. It does. If these buyers fail now, then it's good. Or we go back up to poke. How much is this? Nah, this gap up tells me something. I think I want to aim then up. Yeah, we touch poke. I should have realized that. Look at this. Usually what happens then? We send it. How much time? Soon we will take meeting. Oh. Ugh. Yeah. I think I'm tired today Oh, fucking exhaust, man. I don't fucking. Oh, look, he's gonna give me the fucking points now. This is fucking. Shall we do something? I'm gonna call it up here 7. I don't like volume in PA. All right, nice call. Use CVD for better direction. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. You can use CVD. You can use. Oh well, now it's just edging me, to be honest, and I really don't want to bother trading anymore, as I need to go to my server. I wonder, people that trade real money, how stressful this must be. You see, like $40, 40, 34, 40, 40, 20. You see somebody's salary going up and down. Imagine that, bro. I don't think this is so good for you, Art. Send it. Oi, oi, oi. It doesn't take me out, bro. What the fuck? Quick 200. Let's go. Akaza. What's up, Akaza, bro? Nah, it's going good. Just testing more strategies left to right, getting a good feeling for it. Imagine Fabio, lad, the motherfucker risking 10k per day. Yeah, that's the thing. Trading, bro, it takes years off your life. Or days. I'm not gonna say years. I don't wanna. But definitely, bro. That's why he takes supplements. His shit goes like. It's not. Yeah. Hmm. Which platform you with? Hi, bro. What's up, bro? Lucid. Yeah, I take like 4 different supplements every day. It helps. I'm like, bro, take some coke. Yeah, Kaza, bro. The fact that you crazy, bro, man. Get money and then get out of this game really quickly. That would be a tip from me, to be honest. I don't think it's worth to take off, like it's taking some years off people's life. Because have you seen the guys in the financial industry? Nobody has hair, bro. Nobody has fucking hair. It could be like a good indication that something is Boom, just like what Fabio did, rip straight up. Send it. The volatility square, it's way hard to trade when it's so fast. I usually do on this past week. I've just tested more strategy and I trade in the most volatile and shitty market conditions because that's I want to like how you say it test. Sometimes I do it on demos. Like this time, I'll do it on prop firm account. Prop firm account is demo technically because I yeah. But that's true. Like, come on, guys. What financial guy is who has hair, bro? Except for Fabio, but he's like 10 years into it. Give him 5 more, bro. Give him 5 more years, bro. I wanna try something. This is really like catching the high. I'm gonna risk $20. Maybe I'm caught the high back here for a win of 124. Gap fill. I might cover myself break even since these buyers sellers should protect me. Let's see. Can I get the move down to this level? Come on, son. Send it. Send it. Ah, it's gonna hold. That's awkward. Okay, break even. This is next level. Okay, buddy, never mind. We go. We go. We're going. Sniff a line, hit that team. Yeah, bro. Trading. Crazy. Crazy industry, bro. Trading. Maybe use, if you make money trading, use that money to start a business in something else, or I don't know. Or invest all of that money into S&P 500 and live on the what is the return? Here's the rear long skyrocket right now. Monday deep shot tournament starting. Swear. Oh yo, I gotta prepare, bro. I'm gonna full port that shit. Yo, I'm gonna trade that instead, bro. That sounds much fun. I can practice on that instead. Okay, right now I'm just pressing stuff to be honest. This is failing buyers. Look at these buyers. If they go below this, oi oi oi. I'm break even. Scaling it in. Give me 70 points. Thank you. Trading, fuck me. 12%. AJ was a trader, now he's the CEO of Lucid. I swear. But with inflation means nothing. Yeah, same. I will use it. It practice hyper. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, well, definitely. We're at POC. Be careful. That shit gave me money, bro. Nah, I understand. Carrying is true. Right now, I'm just fucking pressing stuff. I'm gonna be honest. It's not. I'm not even trading technically. I just saw this seller spoke absorbed, and I was like, okay, short, take the money. Not gonna make money off trading, then open prop firm. Oh well, yo, how is it to open a prop firm? I wonder. Prop firm. I wonder which rules. But then, bro, I would ban you, Morel, Durant. I would ban Fabio. Nobody's. If you have, if you're making money, don't come, bro. I will make fucking hard rules and ban prop. Exactly. Yo, Akaza, we talked about that before this. We was like, I took up the math of prop firms. They expect you to wait. If you take a 50k account and want to make 3k, that's technically you have only $2,000 in risk. You have to make 150%, bro, in 1 month. But we have professional traders making 30% in a year. And then you have Fabio that makes fucking lots of money as well. But that's another story. Prop firm accounts is a fucking scam. No, okay. It's a good opportunity for someone that's good, logically. Nah, just make profitable trades live and take 10% of their profit. Ah, I see. 100. So Zen, bro, that sounds like zero risk, only. How do you say it? No risk, high profit, profitability. How do you say it? Rule number 1, no underflow trader. Rule number 2, only ICT traders. Rule no profit more than one. Exactly. Yeah, we are just gambling. But the thing is, your risk per trade is just the fee. Rule number 69, no payout. I like that. That's the core rule, bro. Payout? The fuck do you think this is? What do you say payout? No. The rule is like this, okay? You can only take trade between this time. You can only take this trade in these levels. That's it. If you go outside of that, nah. Only ICT traders allowed, bro. I will become millionaire. Millionaire. Rich millionaire. Yo. I love this model, but I have to get much better at it. I'm not good at it yet. Definitely. Millionaire in pesos. I want to trading. I like it. It's fun. It's you can make a good living out of it. But is it worth the stress? That's the thing. I think no Diddy baby oil, no pay. Just because of that, imagine I get some guy like, hey, yo, he's ready, bro. All Diddy and ready. Not gonna lie, I'm at a point where I'm addicted. The only thing I want to do is just trade all day. That's good. If you capitalize, bro, use it now. Because one day, really, when you guys make money, I hope you guys all make money trading. Just use it smart. get money to get more money with something else, so you get less stress of trading. Makes sense why Fabio would do mentorship, bro. Why? Like you have lots of money in front of you for free. Technically, you can like teach the thing you love, and you take the stress off. You have to make money trading. That's a win, bro. Making any other business also very stressful. Not mention dealing with people. That's true. That's true, Adam. Dealing with people, yeah, that's true. So what essentially you try to say is that we're there's no escape. Huh? Either you get stress trading, make money, but then you lose years of your life, or you do other business, get stressed and deal with people, and that's even more fucking, I don't know. So now that's, or you go and do a 9 to 5. Now you select. That's the options. Or fourth one, you scam the living shit out of everyone and you buy Bugatti and you print set and forget on it. Like, let's all do Alex FG, what his name is. More money, more problems. I just buy crypto only for it to keep dipping. More money to tax. Yeah, move to Dubai like Fabio. No tax. Stay broke and be stressed to be broke. Exactly, bro. You're getting shit on in 5 different directions. Set and forget. Yeah, you do his strategy. No, you lose your hearing trade, but you drive a Lambo. You know why? Have you heard about I heard it from Morl. There's a saying like, why do rich people have no hair? Because in Corvette or in open fast cars, the roof is open, bro. So the air is is fucking pushing. Head and shoulder shampoos pant. Yeah. Bro, that's so much easier. Why don't I just start saying to people, guys, do this head and shoulder pattern, and in 2 years you guys see me drive a Bugatti, no stress. Fucking hell. Trading. I like it, but it's meant to give you a little. It's meant to fuck you over a little, because this industry is, it's quite crazy, not gonna lie. The convertible, yeah, a few years from now we'll be here. Let me check on you, Pablo. I have a how do you say? Thing is, Peng, I understood one thing. Say I make money trading, then I realized really quickly that I'm not gonna use that money to buy something, expensive. I'm gonna use that money to like get in one way fixed, so I can live on. How do you say the renta? How do you say rent? Inflation. You get money back every month when you put into S&P. I'm gonna try to do something like that. Fuck a Ferrari, bro. I don't want to work. I don't want to. Wow, we will have to grow out the bear to compensate for food stand dividends. Exactly. Yeah, I'm gonna. If my hair goes from the stress of trading, at least I can grow out the beard, bro. and I already have a girl. I have a fiance. She's locked. It's over. There's no escape now. Not gonna lie, everyone should just invest 10% of their net income every month. Yeah, I want to live a really simple life. Not flashy, nothing. I like, bro. I want to. I have a Oops. The car costs $5,000. Shit box, but it takes me from A to B, and I have to fill it once a month. Ferrari cost a lot, insurance, taxes. I don't know. Let me just go rent that shit. Go take it to the Autobahn in Germany. Push it. And then I leave it back and it's fucking ruined. Me too. Just want a Ferrari Roma. I'm like, okay. I love cars. I want the RS6. Nice. Are you talking about a baba? What? What's a baba? You mean a dad? Damn, guys, we got a meeting in server. I forgot. I'm down $54. Should I make it back or leave? Babit, Babit, grandmother. Ah, Baba in my language is also grandmother. Yes, yes. Push it to 30. Leave, bro. Ah, okay. Yeah, let's leave this. Down 15. If I take trades now, I might be down 150. That's gonna burn a lot more. Yeah, that's true. Let's delete this. Remove this, and this, and this. That's it. Okay, that's it. Guys, meeting in Discord right now. I'm gonna start it. I hope Ryan is is here because he's the one that does the tool, you know. We're gonna fix some stuff. Passive income, buy, borrow, die, buy, appreciate it to make loans without buy, borrow, buy, appreciating access to make without tax. Okay. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna go into something like that. I'm gonna put all my money there, and I'm gonna be like, you know what? Yeah, I'm done. I always lose more when I say let me make. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Same, bro. All right, guys. Meeting now in Discord. Oh shit, you guys are fast. Okay, see you there. Bye bye everyone else that's not gonna join. Have a good day. Have a good weekend actually. Yeah, have a nice weekend. All right. Bye bye everyone.